EKM3-63 Series MCB is the latest product developed by ETEK. Rated current from 1 ampere to 63 ampere. Comply with IEC standards. Have ETEK, CE, CB, and NRCS certificates. NRCS certificate for EKM3-63 and 125 Series MCB. Have a clear on and off indication and transparent cover design. UIMT up to 6 kilovolts. The casing uses flame retardant and RoHS approved material. Have complete accessories. DIN rail installation. Easy for disassembly and assembly. EKM3-63 can be used with other products for residential power distribution systems less than or equal to 63 amperes.